I got a tin shield vibrating down there on the cat. I don't really need a ton of light to figure this out, but I'll just show you what I'm using. Goose-Grip remote mounted battery housing. Takes a Milwaukee M12 battery, and it's got 4 magnetic feet on the bottom, and you can take this, for example, and attach it to the hood like that. And then the light stick is a 12-inch light bar that puts out 1300 lumens, custom designed and prototyped 303 stainless steel swivel that allows you to go in any position at any angle. It lets you articulate this light like an airplane propeller or like a ballerina at any angle. It's 100% waterproof. It's polyurethane resin lens. It looks ugly because I bent it the other day. It doesn't matter. I manufacture them and I can change it out. And if this happened to you, I'd change it out for you too for free. You just have to get hold of me. So I'm going to take this light stick and I'm going to attach it back here, because there's some good strong metal right there. And then I'm going to turn it on right here on the rocker switch, and boom. And then I can take my light and I can position it however I want and pivot it at any angle that I want. I have all the other flip lights, at least a half a dozen brands: Astro, Snap-on, Matco, Bayco, NoCo, No-Go. I have them all. They all suck compared to this light that I've got, I don't know, about a year and a half in the design phase to making it, and there's just no other light that's that slender. This can fit into places that other lights cannot, and it goes wherever you want, at any angle, at any pitch. It doesn't matter where or at what angle. Turn it 360 degrees. It's very bright, 4,000 color white light. Doesn't throw shadows. Very high CRI, greater than 90 CRI. And just wanted to show you how cool this light works, and the remote mounted battery housing. We have a patent filing on that battery housing with the magnets. We have a patent filing on some parts of this light, and it's available on Goose-Grip.com, and it's available on Amazon within a few days. Anyway, look for it. Swivel stick work light, mechanics work light, and with the remote mounted M12 battery housing. It's $149, has a lifetime warranty. That's it, I'm out.